Hi, this is Sonia with Art2 Solutions, and welcome to day 79 of the hashtag Essence of Time. And it's a 100-day challenge where if you only had 10 minutes to create something, you would see what you could do in that time frame. So the last session, we made this little background. So today I'm going to decorate it. So I'm just going to use just like glue on some stuff or whatever. So let me go ahead and set the timer. And I've gotten some things that I'm considering using, but I'm not quite sure yet the placement of it. But I'm just going to go with the flow. And like I said, I'm using Happy Mail from different people. This one was from Felicia, from the Sweets by Felicia. I'd gotten this years ago. But before I do that, I think I'm going to, let's see. I'm just going to take some archival ink and kind of just color in some of these edges or some of this raised up stencil work just to make it pop a little bit more. And I'm using, what is this? Ground espresso. And then I'm going to go ahead and start, well, let me just go ahead and spritz just a little tiny bit there and there. This was Vintage Photo Distress Oxide ink. And I'm just going to start layering some stuff, and then whatever it ends up is how it ends up. I kind of try to get an idea of how I wanted to arrange it ahead of time, just a little bit, but I'm still not 100% sure. So, but I'm just going to start laying stuff down, and I'm just going to have like a small focal point over here. So, so let me just start laying on some words and just different collage type stuff. And then we'll see what I come up with. I think I'm definitely wanting to use this little clock. This is a sticker that's also from Felicia, so I'm going to cut this out. And then I also have some other stickers with like butterflies on it, like with black and white, that I might use as well. So we shall see. I don't know if I'm going to use this clock directly on this side or if I'm going to use it on the other side. I don't know yet. Or if I'm just going to use, might just use some of this leftover paper. I think I will, because I like the black and white that's on there. Now, this is a sticker, so let me detach it from that one side. I'm gonna add a little bit of glue. It's already sticky, but I just want to make sure it's going to stay completely on here. Put some here. And then that other little side, I think I'll put like on that side. And we've still got like 8 minutes. So let's see. I'll go ahead and take this off. And I'm just going to start gluing some stuff down because I don't really know yet what kind of a layout I want. So my goal, I am going to do some small format journaling using Vera's what do you call it, journal that she gave that she gave me. So I am going to use some of it. Let's see, I'm just going to put these on. I don't even know if it even looks right. I don't care. I care, but I don't care, you know what I mean? So I think I'm going to put this lady kind of like right in here. And here we have a little coffee cup. I might just set that up there. because we do want the coffee theme. I think that'll work right there. Admit one. Let's just go ahead and glue her down, because she's our focal point. With this being such a big page, I kind of feel like I need like a skinny yet long page layout without it being too much. You know, let me go ahead and put this on here. And I'm just seeing what we can get in 10 minutes time. And then I might add some more on that page in a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and come on over to this page. And let's see, where did here's that other card that she had given me. So we're just gonna put one on this side. And this time I'm gonna have it going this way. And I'm going to distress this sticker. Let's use some of this brushed corduroy. And I think that whatever we get today, that's it for this particular layout. So I'm just gonna have to start really sticking stuff on here. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Then I'm gonna put something in behind it. I think I'll just put this there. Because we need some of what's over there also over here. And then I think I'll just add this little number right here. Oh, this is a tag. Maybe I can, let's see. I'll lift this up just a little bit. And then just kind of put this tag right here. And then, let's see. We've got like, I think 3 minutes. We need something. Take it day by day. This is some type of canvas material. And I'm just going to glue it to a piece of this. I'm just going to tear this. And I think I'm going to glue this one here. And then I'm going to glue this up here. And let's see. I think I like this little lamp. I don't know if I'm gonna put it here. And I'm almost pretty much done. I got like 2 minutes, I think. Oh, none. I don't have any time at all. And I'm content. Should I put this here or just don't even worry about it? I'm just not going to worry about it. So we're done with this. So I have succeeded. In 10 minutes, I've completed a layout. It's kind of plain, but sometimes less is better. And I think I'll just put like a little dab of spray. And call it a day, yes. I'm just gonna call it a day. So, here's what it looks like. Here's some of our stenciled stuff from the last session. And then we have the lady and some more stenciling on this side. Just a cute little layout using Happy Meal. And, well, this one actually comes from one of my Ko-Fi digitals. I forgot which one. But I'll have a link in the description if you're interested in it. But, yeah. So, once again, thanks for watching and happy crafting.